The one biggest thing that's going to slow you down and make you not be as productive or not be able to get from point A to point B as quick is not being organized. Organizing your truck altogether is essential if you want to get things done quick. I mean, if you know where stuff is, you can get it and go. So the best way that I can show you this or tell you about this is show you what I do and the things inside and out and the way I have them organized, or, I'll talk through them. I'm not going to show you every little cubby hole that I have, but I'm going to talk through them and explain what I have and why I put it that way. So I'm going to just show you around the truck, inside and out, right quick, and run through some things. And you can maybe get some ideas of where you can put things to make it the most efficient for yourself. So this is my cab area. So I'll just start on the dash and show you what I have and how it's laid out and why I keep it there. So here I have safety glasses because I do flatbed. And a lot of these places you have to do have your PPE on, and one of those are safety glasses. I have an extra pair of reading glasses and my sunglasses. They stay there pretty much all the time. I may move them around slightly, but they stay there. Then I have my hands-free, and I have my small one because I put it on sometimes and go in truck stops and things because I don't want to wear the big one all the time. I just happen to have it, so I kept it. Of course, the CB radio. This is my Starlink. I don't always keep it there. Usually, whenever I'm going down the road, I put it in the floor. So it's out of the way, off of the dash, and looks a lot better. So I'll go up here. I keep my rest of my PPE that I normally wear up here. My hard hat, my safety vest is up here. Have a roll of paper towels. Some people put a bungee across here and put their paper towels and hang them here. I don't do that. I just reach up and grab them. If you want to put the bungee, great. Have some toilet paper up here. You need to have that in the trucking world. You never know when it's going to come. And just a couple of other things up there. Nothing huge. And moving down to the floor. My shoes are over there. I use a towel for a floor mat. Just tie them, and I don't wear my shoes past that point. Keep my wallet and stuff. Not necessarily there all the time, but, your phone mount for your phone so you don't carry it. Have a GPS right here where you can see it going down the road. Really easy. Then, of course, the lovely E-Log. It is mounted permanently. Have a small bucket that has millions of miles on it with just some random stuff in it. Tire depth gauge, little screwdriver, some aspirin for a headache, what have you. I always try to keep this seat fairly clear, but that's where my bill of lading for the load that I'm on always stays, all the time. Whenever I finish loads, this box down here in this Freightliner, there's a little box there that opens. I put them in there, and I start out the door. Every one that I have starts at the door. That's my last one, then it works its way back. Whenever that gets full, I have a bag or a container to put it in because I turn them in at the office and they do whatever they want to with them. I keep my steel toe boots here. Couple of things of water. I drink a lot of water. Steel toe, extra shoes. You need extra shoes all of the time. If you're in wet weather, for sure, you need boots that you can handle wet weather with. Little bags, garbage bags, keep those. Your air freshener, your Windex, which is nearly out. I have some more, I'll fill it with. My spare gloves, I put them behind the seat. I have other gloves on the other side of the seat. Just what I do. My refrigerator is here. Closets. And I don't know why this won't zoom out, but it does not like me. I did an update and it does not like me. But then, of course, make your bed up. Make it look nice and neat and everything. Put your clothes up in cabinets. Put them up. There's no clothes laying all around here. Everything is in the cabinets. Be organized. Whenever a DOT cop opens your truck or opens your door, and they can do that, you want to be organized. Get back a little ways. So I have my Keurig here. I have some random things here. Mouse for my computer. More reading glasses because I'm going blind. But happens whenever you get old. Just random stuff in there. Have food and some other clothes here. Have food here. And I have a power strip here because the inverter is under the bed. So that's pretty much it for the inside. This is just to give you some ideas of where you can store stuff and how to store it. So now I'm gonna go outside. So this is a key part also. You get outside of your truck. I have storage boxes here because I do flatbed. I have storage boxes here. I keep my edge protectors, felt, things like that in there. Just random things that I need, oversized load signs, everything. Have my tire change for snow here and here in the center. I keep all my chains hung on each side of the headache rack. If I have extra timbers, they go here with a chain bound down. I use a lot of timbers on what I do. A lot of dunnage here. This box storage, that tarp usually goes in that box with some other tarps and some more padding and things. Keep it all organized. Organization is key, especially in flatbed or open carrier type of stuff. And I know someone's going to give me crap for my tarp job, but I really don't care. It's covered, it's dry. That's all I care about. On this side, another box here. I keep all of my straps in, bungees in, things like that. Biggest thing out of this really is to stay organized, because it takes you an extra long time to tarp that load or to tie that load down if you're not organized. I've learned throughout the years that being organized will help you. You have a system to do this with, and it'll help you so much. I hope this wind is not messing with my mic. It probably is. Get behind this truck. But being organized is just going to help you be more productive and help you finish your job faster, especially whenever you do an open carrier like this. You can tarp, untarp, and everything and roll it up and put it in its own little special place. So be organized. This is just some ideas to help you with your trucking career. Be organization. Part of it is not that hard. You know, get up, clean your truck, make your bed, things like that. It's just, all of this is just encouragement, basically, to be a little more organized. In the next video, I'll go a little more in depth with maybe some things that you could buy, some little containers and stuff, so that you can even be a little more organized if you want to. If you want to learn how to be more productive the way I do it, and my way is not written in stone, you don't have to do it my way. But if you want to learn more how I do it, to give you some ideas, just continue to watch. I'll see you in the next video.